Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we will guide you how to troubleshoot and fix the issue of USB port not working on your Dell docking station. So we understand the frustration of having non-functional USB port as essential for connecting various devices. So our step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the some troubleshooting steps and helping you identify the root cause of the problem, and we will provide you easy to follow instruction to resolve the issue, so ensuring that your Dell dock station USB port are up and running again. Don't let this inconvenience hinder your productivity any longer. So join us and get your USB port working in no time. So let's start. First, you have to inspect and clean the USB port and cables. Check for any sign of damages on USB port on the computer, and check for any connection on your USB cable for bent pins or any other physical damages. Look for cuts or break in the cable that could expose the internal wiring, and gently wiggle that USB cable when plugged into a port to see if there is an intermediate connection which may indicate damage. And now you have to use a can of compressed air to blow out or any dust or debris from the USB port and cable connector. So ensure that the computer and any connecting device are power all of before cleaning. So avoid using any liquid or damp cloth to clean the USB port and connector to prevent this damage. And if you find any physical damage, so reach out the Dell technical support for repair option. Simply you have to click on this. Now they are the option of Dell support team. You have to first you have to choose my model, and after this you have to describe your issue, and they will provide you some guidance after short time. And now we have to reinstall Thunderbolt controller driver. So right click on the start menu and going to the device manager and click system devices. So locate the Thunderbolt controller and right click and install, select uninstall devices. So after this you have to download the latest Thunderbolt controller driver from Dell website as I am showing you. First, you have to go into this website, their Dell Technologies, and then you have to update your driver. Or simply click on this. You have to type your product ID, like your laptop ID, and now you have to install the driver and restart your computer. So after this, you have to reset a BIOS to factory default. Restart your computer, and then after tap F to add the logo to enter BIOS. So then select load defaults and load default settings and load setup default or similar. So this option is often found in the exit menu or can be loaded by pressing the F9 key. So simply save and exit the BIOS setup typically by pressing the F10 key and selecting yes to confirm. So your computer will be restart with default BIOS setting. And now we are going to solution 4. So download and install Microsoft Windows Update. Right click on the start button and then setting. So after this you have to click on the update and security and select Windows and update from the left panel, and then after this you have to choose check for update in the right panel. Then if update is available, so they will begin the download it automatically. So after the update are downloaded, you may be prompted to restart your computer. So these are the simple solution for the USB port not working on your Dell docking station. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it, and we will catch you in our next video.